Hello guys, welcome back. It's Son of Things, but for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix FragPunk not launching error on PS5. So if you're having issues with FragPunk here and it's not launching on your PS5, there are going to be a few things that you may want to try. So first things first is you want to make sure that the game is or the system are updated. So this might sound obvious, but seriously, game and system updates can fix a surprising number of launch issues here. So start with your PS5 system here. You want to go to your system settings and system software, and then system software update and settings. Now, if there's an update, install it, and it only usually takes like a few minutes. So go ahead and do that. Now, for FragPunk here, you want to go to your home screen, highlight the game, press the options button on the controller, and then check for the update and install anything if it's available. Now, next is you may want to reinstall FragPunk here. Now, if updates don't do the trick, the next best move is to basically do a clean reinstallation. So you want to go to your home screen, highlight FragPunk here, press the option button, and then hit delete. After that, go to your library or the PlayStation Store and reinstall the game. Now, they wipes out any corrupted files that might be preventing the game from launching, but don't worry, this won't delete your progress unless you manually remove the save data, which in this case, it might cost a few things here. But yeah, let's go move on to the next step here. Now, next is you want to check your interconnection. Now, even though FragPunk isn't always online only, some games still requires a connection. So just to boot for updates, so verification or server sync here. So in this case, you may want to restart your router and modem just to refresh things. And if you can, plug your PS5 into the internet with a Ethernet cable. Wired is always more stable than Wi-Fi connections, so you want to head to your settings, network, and connection status there, and then run a quick test internet connection to be sure everything is running fine here. But yeah, next is you may want to try deleting your save data here. So sometimes if it's not the game itself but the save data that's actually corrupted, so you may want to go to your settings, then storage, then console storage here, tap into save data, then PS5 games, find FragPunk and delete the save data and try launching the game again. So just so you know, this will reset in-game settings and progress if it's not cloud backed. So this step do this step only if nothing else is working and you're okay with a start state or clean state for your game here. Next is you may want to restart your console here. So this might be the most easiest one here. So in this case, this is super basic, but sometimes just restarting your PS5 can flush out a glitch that's preventing the game from launching. So just press the PS5 button on your controller, then go to power, then restart PS5, and wait for it to reboot and try opening FragPunk again. Now, as a last resort here, you may want to contact PlayStation support. Now, if nothing else works here, FragPunk still refuses to start, it might be an issue with your copy of the game or system profile or even backed end bug. So at that point, it's worth going straight to PlayStation support. So you can either visit their official site here, which is going to be playstation.com/support, and then select PS5, then go to game issues. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.